right, well, you know, we just love treats this time of morning. We love daybreak delights. Well, if you're tired of the same old cupcake, why not add a fun little spin on that classic treat? Stacy Walker is here from Happy Cakes to show us how to make a daybreak delight for this morning. Beautiful cupcakes.
Thank you.
And I tell you, you can't smell the cupcakes through the screen, but it just smells so nice. Chocolate,
that chocolate,
nuts, frosting. So we begin with the basic cupcake.
Yeah, we're making what we call a drumstick. So it's the take on that classic summer ice cream treat.
Very nice.
We begin with a vanilla cupcake with vanilla buttercream, and we're going to top it with some ganache and some peanuts. So right now I've got the chocolate chips, about 3 cups of chocolate chips.
Okay.
You heat up some heavy cream until it's nice and hot.
Okay.
So if you're heating it on the stove, you want to see the little bubbles around the edge.
All right.
Then you pour it over the chocolate chips and let it sit for about a minute until the chips start to get soft. So then what you're going to do is really whisk this nicely.
And they get soft right away, too. They just melt.
Nice hot cream, melting that. So what we do is we just really whisk this until it's incorporated. You can see how pretty and chocolatey it's getting there.
Alrighty.
Really, really nice. Okay. All right, so once we get that mixed well, then you add a little bit of vanilla and a little bit of butter. Right, this just finishes it off really nice.
Really
and if you're making it
nice.
at home, you want to just go ahead and whisk all of this in until it's you know, completely smooth and incorporated.
And the aroma is just so nice right now. When you put in the vanilla, it's just comfort food.
Yes, delightful. All right, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to decorate the cupcake. So if you would like to try, I've got you a pastry bag here, right?
I've always wanted to use one
I
of
like
these.
to grab about this much.
Okay.
Squeeze, and then you just make a little swirl here like this.
Oh, goodness.
Easier said than done,
easier said than done. I'm going to try this hand. Okay.
Yes. Well, I left a few for you here, ready to go if you would like to just do the dipping part. But we're going to decorate a few. Swirl.
Swirl. I'm kind of doing my own thing over here, I think.
It does take some practice, that's for sure. So once we've got a nice swirl on there, then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take this cupcake and you're just going to tip it over and dip it in the ganache. And look at that. It works, right?
Okay.
You don't have to worry too much about losing it.
I have a pretty one here.
Oh, that's, yes, beautiful.
It's not messed up like my other one.
So yeah, go ahead and dip it on in there.
I do this.
And then you can take and roll it in the peanuts.
Okay.
I left you one there.
This is so fun for the kids to do with you because you can kind of learn how to make your own design.
Yeah.
Now, I'm too ashamed to show mine, but mine don't look like yours.
That's all right. Awesome.
But this is just a great treat, and I imagine you can alter it if you're not going with a lot of sugar, if you're going with gluten-free.
Absolutely, yeah. If you just start with whatever vanilla cupcake you're going to make at home.
All right. Well, the recipe is on our website, kwgn.com. Smells good, looks great, and Tom, I think, is going to have about 5 of these.
Yep.
I think he's really going to
snap those down. Thanks, ladies. Good stuff.